Wow.
The last bus ride. Disaster. No, it's not. I don't even remember. Yo, is this the Bob? I don't know. I don't even know which one. We got him shaking on this bus. Don't let him go this time. Let him in like 5 seconds. Sure. Yeah, I'll be just really good at impersonations. Yeah. I feel like you're laughing. Oh my god, you poked him again. I told you don't poke him. I'm tired of you hitting my chicken. You'll be fine. It's your guys' chicken. It's from your uncle's farm. Yeah, who did he give it to? It was a birthday gift. It doesn't matter whose chicken it is. It matters you want to bring him. You want to bring him. He has to go. He hasn't been checked up in months. It's not fair to him. It should be the proper transportation. Like, storage unit. Alright, we're here. That's it. One more time, I'm selling them to McDonald's. I can't leave that chicken. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
That's hilarious.